Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can delete your history from your Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser is safe and fast search engine for searching something. We use it daily. So I am going to show you how you can delete your browsing history from your Google Chrome browser. Okay. Suppose you are in Google Chrome right now. Here is I'm in Google Chrome browser right now, and this is my browsing google.com. Okay, so if I want to delete Google browsing history, I have to go this three dot option, click on it. Okay, then you can see new tab, new window, new incognito window, and then history. You have to click on this history button and then click on this history. Here is your all history. This is your all Google Chrome browser history. So if you want to delete one by one, like I am clicking this, I am selecting this and then delete. If you want to delete one by one, you have to click or select one and then click on delete, and now remove. So my selected is delete. So if you want to delete more thing, like you want to delete all the thing here, you have to select more. Okay, okay. So now if you want to delete your all browsing history, then click on this clear browsing data, and here is your clear browser data. You have to select what you want to delete, your browsing history, cookie, or cache. I need to delete my browsing history, so select this and then last hour or last 24 if I want to delete my last hour browsing history, and then browsing history and then clear data, and it's done. My clear data, my browsing history for last 1 hour is done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video will help you. If it help you, please like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.